If you're looking to nurture your core students and keep them engaged, using built-in email tools is one of the most effective ways to do this without any complicated setups. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use these tools to build relationships, keep students motivated, and increase course completion rates. Stay tuned because at the end, I'll share a powerful tip that you won't want to miss. The first step is to set up automated email sequences. This is a key feature in the software we'll be using today. By setting up these automated sequences, you can send targeted emails at specific times during the course. For example, you can send a welcome email right after they enroll, a mid-course check-in to encourage progress, and even a final reminder when the course is about to end. It's all automated, so you don't have to do anything manually. Next, use the email tools to segment your students based on their progress. This is critical because not all students are at the same place in your course. By creating segments based on their course activity, like those who've completed certain modules or those who've fallen behind, you can send customized relevant messages. This helps keep the email content personalized and increases the chances that students will open and engage with your emails. Another great feature is sending personalized reminders. Let's say a student hasn't logged in for a while or hasn't completed a module. You can use built-in triggers in the software to send them a gentle reminder, or even offer a motivational nudge, encouraging them to continue. These emails can be automated too, so once you set them up, they just run in the background. Now let's talk about drip campaigns. Drip campaigns are another fantastic tool to nurture your core students. With this method, you can schedule emails to go out at regular intervals, such as weekly, based on a student's progress or a specific set of actions. These emails can include new lessons, bonus content, or tips to help them succeed. The key here is consistency. Drip campaigns help keep students engaged by providing regular touch points. Don't forget to collect feedback. Use built-in email tools to send surveys or ask for reviews at the end of the course. Not only does this help you improve your course, but it also helps you engage with your students one last time, keeping them connected and encouraging them to enroll in future courses. A major advantage of using the software we recommend is that you don't need to worry about third-party tools. The email tools are built right into the platform, meaning you can manage everything from one place, saving you time and effort. So, what's the key takeaway from today? Using built-in email tools to nurture your core students is essential for keeping them engaged, motivated, and on track. Automate your emails, segment your students, use personalized reminders, implement drip campaigns, and don't forget to gather feedback. And as a quick recap, make sure you're setting up automated email sequences, targeting the right students with segmentation, using reminders and drip campaigns to keep the momentum going, and collecting feedback to improve your course. Before we wrap up, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we've used today. It's linked in the description below, and it's available only for viewers of my channel. Trust me, it'll make your email marketing a breeze. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.